everyone, Kian here. So let's talk about versatility. When you are versatile in everything that you do, it is an opportunity for us to share something to get things done. So kahit na napaka-importante kasi 'di ba? Suppose in an organization, nangailangan sila ng marunong kumanta or marunong sumayaw. Although you are not that totally familiar sa pagsasayaw, but at least you know something, at least you know how. Importante, meron kang something na mai-share, na maiaambag to get things done. Hindi naman totally kailangan skillful ka, kasi eventually, when you practice, you will know everything. Habang ginagawa mo, dun ka natututo. At least that you not fear to try something, to do something, to get things done. Kasi napaka-importante na yung mga bagay-bagay sinusubukan natin gawin, na meron tayong, that you are versatile. You have that ability na kahit saan ka ilagay, kaya mo mag-adjust. You know how to adjust to yourself. You know how to share something. Meron kang maiambag for the betterment of the organization. Kasi in an organization or sa isang grupo, it's a group work, it's a group effort. So, para mas mapadali, para mas maganda yung product, para mas maganda yung result. So, maganda pag lahat po marunong mag-ambag, marunong mag-share, at meron tayong pwedeng magawa para mas mapaganda, para mas mabubuti yung dapat natin gawin sa isang organization. And napaka-importante po nun. And huwag tayong matakot, huwag tayong sumubok. And napakaganda na we have that ability. We know how to adjust. We are versatile in everything that we do. Napaka-importante po nun. Kasi yung isang bagay hindi mabubuo pag kulang sa isang grupo, pagkakulang, diba? So, maganda lahat na nakakapag-adjust, lahat na nakakapag-share, lahat kayang mag-input. Hindi ka man ganun ka-totally ka-skillful pa, pero to get things done, you know how to do something about it. So, let's be versatile in everything that we do. And thank you everyone, and God bless.